Alright, so here we are taking a look at this mini drone. This one is made by AviaLogic. It's a mini drone. It came on this box. It moves 360, 1 key return, headless mode, 2.4 Wi-Fi. It's foldable, altitude hold. It came with this piece here. This piece here is to remove the propellers. AviaLogic, very nice little drone, which is foldable. This is everything that came inside the box. See, everything very nice in here. So the drone came inside here. So just wanted to look how it looks on the other side. You got all the pieces on the back and the drone is here, so it's very easy to carry. You could put this on your keychain or just take it wherever you want. You unscrew here and you put 2 AAA batteries. Go ahead now, take out the parts here. This is the charger, which you charge in the back. So to charge it, just put it in place there and put it on any USB port. Red light comes on. When it turns off, that means it's charged. So it charged pretty quick. All the extra pieces, the screwdriver, take that screw out with a screwdriver. These are the sticks. So you have 4 extra propellers. You got the propeller guards and the sticks. Just go ahead and put them on by pressing down. There we are. To put the propeller guards on, just put it from down upwards. Also brings the manual here. Alright, to start the drone, make sure you turn on the drone first by pressing down here. Now it's on. And now turn on the remote. To start it on, easy up. You please help my channel by subscribing. I would gladly appreciate it. I like that it's altitude hold. It'll stay there. If you press down on this one and go right, it'll keep on. It'll keep on going right. Just press it again. To do headless mode, make sure it's in front of you. Press it. Even if you turn it, this is right. Turn it right or left. Pretty nice. This one here, the third one, it's the speed. So first, second speed, third speed. There you go. It's good to have the propeller guards, because even if you touch the wall on the inside of the house, you see? Battery lasts about 7 to 8, 10 minutes. You have this button here to take off and land. To do 3D flips, press down the right stick. There you go. That's a flip. Let's do it again. On the right ones here, these are the trim. Let's hit landing. There you go.